Maverick's new sound. You do it? Not that one. You gonna do the other one? You do it? There it is.